How to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp? Let's begin. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Then tap on the contact name you suspect has blocked you. In the message box, type your message and hit the send icon. Now observe the tick marks. If your message always show one tick mark and never two, this could be a strong sign that you have been blocked. Now from the chat page, tap their name at the top to open their profile details. If you don't see your profile picture or their last seen info, that's another sign that you may have been blocked. After that, try making a WhatsApp call to connect. If it keeps showing calling and never changes to ringing, it may indicate that you have been blocked. Lastly, go to any existing group chat in your WhatsApp. Then tap the group name at the top to open your group settings. Find and tap on Add Members. From the contact list, select the person in question. Next, click on the checkmark icon at the bottom right corner. If you receive a message saying couldn't add, this clearly indicates that the contact has blocked you. There you go. I hope this video helped.